Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Lexus key fob battery replacement used for many different Lexus models, different years. The battery you will need is a CR1632 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Once again, CR1632. Alright, so first we have to take the emergency key button, the emergency key by pulling this button right here. I'm sure you know how to do it, but just in case, right here to the right, and we take the key. Now I'll show you with a screwdriver. As you can see right here, there is a slot, okay, small one, this one, maybe here, yeah, okay. Now you don't need a screwdriver for that, but I use the emergency key. You just put the key and you turn clockwise, okay, very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Let me show you right here and clockwise, and it opens. Once again, you can do it also with a screwdriver, you can do it with your key, whatever is convenient. Right here, and you turn, okay. Now that we have the key open, okay, this is the electronics, we just move it to the right side. This is the battery, as I said, CR1632, okay, and you just need a screwdriver, small one, and you take it out. Once again, right here, a small flathead underneath, and it comes out. This is a good battery, I will use it again. Slide it in, you press, you take the cover, make sure everything is okay. Put the emergency key back in. No need to reprogram or anything like that, and that's it. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.